continent, the father of a nation and the creator of Pakistan, guided as a Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who gathered all the Muslims under the banner of All India Muslim League, transformed them into a nation and pulled them out of the darkness of ignorance, despondency and slavery. In the words of a famous historian, Stanley Parker, few individuals significantly alter the course of history, even few still change the map of the world. But hardly anyone can be credited as the creator of a nation, guided as Muhammad Ali Jinnah did all three. Ladies and gentlemen, when frustration and despondency envelops appeared in history like blinding fog, there arises a genius amongst his people, whose confidence in himself and the cause he had obtained becomes the foundation on which is laid the magnificent mansion of immortal genius. The first half of the 20th century was such a time period for the Muslims of the subcontinent, and Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the stand bearer on the political stage, where they were fighting for their very existence as a separate nation. Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah did not have greatness thrust upon him. Instead, he achieved greatness through the cultivation of his talents, capacities, and the character that emerged unscathed from all the vicissitudes like burning gold out of fire. Dear audience, in the history of Indian Muslim life and thought, Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah is one of the most striking and distinctive figures. He is, at one time or the other, he is the greatest legal luminaries produced by India in the first half of 20th century. An ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity, a great constitutionalist, a distinguished parliamentarian, a gifted debater and orator, a tireless freedom fighter, a sound statesman, a profound lawyer, and above all, one of the greatest nation builders of modern times. He stood for justice, for equality, for equal rights, for the rule of the people, for an open society, and for a noble Pakistan. He transformed the Muslim nation into a dynamic force which swept the subcontinent and altered the destiny of the human race by creating the second biggest Muslim state in the world, an achievement with no parallels in the universe. Dear students, Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah lived through remarkable times, a tremendous period of upheaval and struggle. He saw two world wars and freedom triumph over the forces of fascism. He was a part of that epic battle to end colonial domination and to liberate Asia and Africa from the stifling hold of imperialism. He saw the rise of socialism with its promise of justice and equality. It was inevitable that his political thinking should have been shaped into these momentous events, and these would have unerringly led him to his commitment to democracy and liberal humanism. Qaeda tried in the short time period that he was given to run the affairs of Pakistan and to show his commitment as his legacy to the people and the leadership of the new nation. With his unusual powers of persuasion and counter-argument, he finally won the battle of Pakistan. His ability of counter-argument was on show even on the formal ceremony of 14th August 1947. This was when Lord Mountbatten presented a speech in which he offered the example of Akbar the Great as a tolerant Muslim ruler to the Muslims of Pakistan. The guy was equal to the task, and he presented an alternative model, that of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. The kindness and tolerance shown by Akbar the Great was not of recent origin. Instead, it dated back 13th century. Thanks.
वीडियो पसंद आए लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट्स देना ना भूलिए।